In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons to Figma for free. It's super straightforward and easy to do, but make sure you watch the video the whole way through and pay close attention. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing I've actually done is I've come into Figma here and I've just loaded up this Figma Basics template. And what we're going to want to do is go up to the top corner up here. And in the top corner, there's this little T icon. Next to it, there's this thing called resources. You can also press Shift I, and that's going to open up the resources tab. So there's two ways we can go about adding icons to Figma. The first way is by looking for an app or a plugin called Icons 8. So we're going to click on this one here, and then you want to click on it there, click Run, and boom. You can see here we are now running the Icons 8 plugin. This is an amazing plugin for icons, and I'll show you a few of the things you can do with it. So you can go here and you can change the styles of the icons. This is great for keeping everything all in one style, so we can click on comic. There's nothing on this one. We can click on 3D plasticine, which is very cool. And we can go on to here and we can click in on an icon and bring it in. So let's say we like this Facebook circled. We can click and drag it into Figma here. We can resize it if we want to. Now, you can also resize the icon size here as well. And when I drag it in, it should be bigger. Now there you go. See, this one is much bigger than the others. So you can also go ahead and go on to some of the, if I go to all, you can click on some of these and you can actually change the color of them if you want to. So with this color icon here, which is pretty good. So the other app that you can actually go ahead and use, if we go back to this icon here, type in icon, and I believe it's called Iconify. So Iconify will run it again. And this one is basically similar to the one we've just been on, but there's just a lot more options here. So we've got animated icons. So if we want to add some spinners here, we've got all of these. So what I could do is I could just click on this one here. I could import icon, import as component, or import code. And we'll just import in, and it should be, there we go, it's here. Oops, yeah. I can click and drag it in as well, and I can resize it. And you get the idea of how it works. But that's basically how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.